Today I'm sharing with you the Derma Blend Professional. Hi guys, today I'm sharing with you the Derma Blend Professionals. This is the leg and body makeup. I know you guys must be wondering who applies makeup on the legs and body, but yeah, a lot of us have a need to kind of cover up either our tattoos or maybe we have scarring out of anything. We also have birthmarks. A lot of people I know have the spider veins. So I'll tell you how I use it. As you can see, I have this bruise here. So this is a scar coming from a workout bruise, and this is not gone now. Like, I've tried pigmentation creams and that kind of thing, so which makes me just like apply makeup on it and cover it when I'm like going out or anything of that sort. I'm going to show you how. So what I do is, first things first, you have to take a dime size quantity of this product. Actually, it depends. If you're applying it on your legs, then you need more quantity. So I'm just going to take a dime size and apply it on your spot or like the tattoo, whatever you're trying to cover the area, in a downward stroke. Apply a thick layer, and then you give some circular strokes to the same thing so that it gets blended. It shouldn't look patchy from like the rest of the skin. And once done, guys, you need to blot some powder on it so that makes it a little more long stay and smudge free as well. I'm just running out of my powder, so I'm just using like my compact, Maybelline compact. So you, whatever you have handy, just dab it with a brush, makeup brush or a blender, sponge, whatever is comfortable for you, and you are good to go. And it's specifically meant for long stay, so it's something like you apply in the morning, it will stay all day long. And the best thing about this product, of course, apart from the coverage for me, is the SPF factor. That's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another useful video. Bye bye.